Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video, I've shown you how to declare a method in C Sharp and how to use this method in C Sharp. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pass parameters in the methods and how to return values using methods. So if you have followed last video, I have shown you how to declare this method, which was returning nothing. So we have the return type void, and it has no parameters, and parameters goes inside these two brackets. Okay. So now suppose a user want to enter the values, and on the basis of those two values, he want to get the addition. Okay. So let's make this program a little more interactive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass two parameters in this sum. So I will pass two integer, which is no1 and int no2. So this is called parameter passing. Okay, or these are called parameters in the method. So we have declared two parameters in this method definition. Okay. Now in addition, we want that this sum will give us the addition, and it will not print this here, but it will return something to us, and which is the addition. So I will just delete this line because we have already declared these two parameters here. And what we want to do is we want to return this addition. Okay, and as soon as we return something, we need to give this return type here. Okay, so this is called a return type. If you are returning something, in our case we are returning integer, that's why I have written here integer, and these are called parameters, and we are using two parameters right now, but you can pass multiple parameter, 3, 4, or any number of parameters in a function. Okay, this is return and these are parameters. Okay, now for example, I want that user should enter these two number and then addition is shown to him. So what I will do here is I will declare two integers, int num1 is equal to 0, comma num2 is equal to 0. Okay, and I want that user should pass them, so I will just write these two lines, and I think you know this, that this console.write will print this, enter a first number, and then this console.read line takes the input, and then this convert.toInt 32 will convert this line to an integer and pass it to this integer. This all I have shown you in the previous video, so there is nothing complicated here, right? I'm just asking the user that he should enter two numbers. And now what I want to do is I want that these two numbers are passed to the sum function, because this sum function can take two parameters. So I will pass these two integers, number1 comma number2. So I have passed two integers, right? And I want to show the sum to the user. So I will just copy this line which I was earlier using inside the function, and I will paste it here. Okay, so what you can do is you can either use this function directly here and this will show the result, or you can just say int add is equal to this e1, which is an instance of class example1, which is my class here, if you can see here, right? And because it is returning the sum of these two numbers, we can store this sum inside this integer, right? Because what it will do, it will take these two numbers, it will add these numbers, and it will return this addition to this, and this addition can be stored inside this other integer, and we can print this. Now I will run the program once again, and now we can just give two numbers, 234, second number 500, and we have the sum of these two numbers, right? And now this program has become little bit interactive, that user can enter these two values, and whatever the values user has entered, the result is shown accordingly. Okay, and then you can use the sum method multiple times in your main method whenever you need this sum. Okay, so this is how you pass parameters and how you can return value in C sharp. So this parameter passing is called pass by value. Now in the next video I will show you how to pass by value and how to pass by reference in C sharp, and I will also show you if you want to output or if you want to return more than one value, how can you return multiple values in C sharp in a function. Okay, so stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.